About to go get some grub.
You guys want to experience some real speed?
Yeah, right.
All these Acura followers on this channel. I'll show you some real V8 power, baby.
If you guys want to see cheap interior, this is it right here.
If you want to see primo Italian leather in Ford American built products.
What's going on, guys? Today's a new day. Welcome back to the channel. We're here in the garage. Real quick, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And don't forget to hit that notification button so that you guys know when I post new videos. So with that being said, let's get down to business. All right, guys, so the game plan today is to start gutting the TL. I got my buddy here, Ryan. You guys seen him before in the podcast video. If you haven't, go ahead and watch that. I'll put the little tag up here so you guys can watch that link when you get the chance. So don't forget to do that. As I mentioned in previous videos that I have went to surrounding junkyards in the area and have grabbed most of the black interior that I need, at least for the bottom half of the TL. So like most of you know, I have gray interior, and I believe everything is gray. But I'm gonna be swapping out these seats because I got those new Corbeau RRX seats, and I'm gonna have to be dyeing the carpet black. And I have all these panels, and then I also bought a new center console armrest, black leather with some new foam. I'm gonna redo that. I know that there is a DIY walkthrough on the forums to restuff your center console armrest. But yeah, so like I said, we're gonna gut this interior, and from there we'll decide what we want to keep and what we're gonna change. Because I do know that I am going to be deleting a few things here and there because weight reduction. Weight reduction. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll get started, and we'll touch base with you guys once we get to a good point, or if we run into some complications. You never know. And also, I am going to be posting the part 4 or 5, I think. I forgot what part we're on, of the engine bay mods, because I'm basically done with this. I just want to share with you guys my results. Obviously this car is running and it's still standing, so I haven't had any issues, but I do want to share with you guys the improvements that I have made with temperatures in my engine bay and with my coolant. All right, yeah, so we're gonna get onto this interior. All right, see you guys in a little bit.
We can probably start with seats then.
You think so?
Yeah, just so that we have more room to take off panels, you know. I'm thinking
there's 2 bolts
on the front.
Okay,
there and
yeah,
there.
so
and
we
then
get those ones first.
Then we'll have to move the seats forward and then go from the back side, and I bet they're the same on the back.
Want to take a wild guess what size bolts those are? Oh wait, you drive a Ford. Never mind.
I drive American.
You wouldn't know this.
Freedom units.
It's 10 millimeters, people. 10 millimeters. This might actually not be. It might be a 12.
Let's see what happens. Do those other seat brackets you bought, are they powered?
No. They're
weight reduction.
Yeah, regulars. Oh yeah, these are not 10s. Those are.
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Those are either 12 or 14s. That's the bolt, ladies and gentlemen, and that's the other one.
I got a 14 millimeter.
I got a 14 millimeter. Ready to go off and oh dude, no, they're gonna copyright my video.
Oh dude.
No, there goes my monetization. No money's for us. This guy just ruined it.
We ain't have no money anyways.
This guy ruined
just
it.
A couple cool guys with some free spirit. 14. 13. No. 11.
Just letting you know, I stepped on my splitter and it didn't fall and break. So that's how you know.
I had a snow pile yesterday at the grocery store. Now mine gives me up force.
Up force. About to take off.
You know, I wanted the front end to pick up a little bit, get more weight in the rear, just so I could hook up a little better. So I just drove it into a snow pile.
Oh, dude, wait, use this.
How do you use this thing?
Where's Jesse O? All right.
It's pretty nice. I mean, ain't no air.
Whatever you do not disconnect anything. Because there's airbags on these seats.
I ain't scared. I eat those.
I eat those.
I eat those.
The real reason why I invite him over is so that he can do this for me. So I don't have to do anything.
It's pretty cool because my parents don't let me use power tools at home.
I showed you guys 2 bolts in the front, and then there's 2 bolts here. We might be doing this out of order, but whatever.
I ain't scared.
There's more than one way to skin a cat. And then after that, we'll knock out the other seat, and we'll move on to the next part. That way, I'm not hogging the video time with just, you know, 2 seats.
There she blows. Broke both of those ones. Broken. 1, 2. Third one didn't break. There's the other one. You can see those tabs. I'm assuming you probably just got a pull with more mustard, but I ain't got time for that.
Yeah, that's all right.
Aim on.
This is what you don't do to remove the seats. Since we're breaking stuff, so people would be like, oh, okay, I'm supposed to break it.
Yeah, don't break those tabs.
Don't break those tabs. I am not liable for any damages you do to your car. Well, we are not liable for any damages that you do or make to your car. So, cheers. 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 Okay, so we're gonna do the other side. We'll knock that out, and then we'll come back and move on. Or before we move on to the next part, we will touch base with you guys. All right.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we finished unbolting the seats, and now we got them tilted back. I'll show you guys where we're at right now. We are working on unplugging the wires. Not entirely sure what we're gonna be unplugging yet, but we're just gonna be unplugging everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll pull out the seats and then show you what we got. Oh yeah, that's another thing too. Battery is disconnected. Make sure you guys do that if you attempt to do this.
No, I need to take it off. Yeah.
Oh,
does that come off?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah, take that off.
I think it does. It's supposed to. There you go. I'm gonna smack myself in the face.
Aha! Let's tilt this way. I guess that comes right out. Yeah, you might as well do that for that other side.
Is it heavy? Yeah. Alright, dude. You're not that strong. It's okay. You can do it.
Ha ha! Ha ha! Shotgun! Oh, dude, you're low, man. I forgot my booster seat at home,
You
man.
guys are a lowrider, eh?
It's extra low in here. We're gonna be riding.
Wait, take the camera. Let's see how low that is in real life.
This is like adjusted recline right here. This is for when you're taking your nut. Dude, this is actually super. Dude, like, this is like super comfortable. Like, I could totally road trip like this.
Yeah, until the exhaust burns your butt.
Oh yeah. Weight reduction.
There it is.
Oh.
It was a little tab.
Once he's done with this, Mopar Nation, you better watch out. Ford Nation, we're all right. Oh. Ooh. Oh, is that where you had all your goodies under there?
We're like, oh.
Yeah. Never mind. I don't think. Hey, I'm gonna go.
We're doing this one. So on the rear seats, you have these little tabs. To get rid of those, what you got to do is reach underneath the seat. I already have it undone, so you're gonna reach underneath and pull this. Similar to this side here. Same thing, same action. Pull it. It's spring loaded, so I mean, it should be if your car's not broken. For the rear seat, like back, you have I think a 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt there, and then in between, good sir, if you could show them, right in there, yeah.
Dude, that's deep in there.
Right, so you're gonna need an extension, and then another one on this side. So one there, and one there. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. All right, so we got the bolts out, and we're gonna pull this back now. Get the seatbelts out the way. Probably get this one out the way too. Boom. I guess that works.
On the bracket.
There it is. So rear seat's out. It's gonna stay this way for quite some time. I do need to change this at some point, you know, to black. It's not that big of a deal actually, but I do need to get rid of these seat belts too. So I don't know where they're connected to. Yeah, we'll get those out of the way, and then we'll get all these panels out, and then finally the carpet so we can dye it. So we'll get these seat belts out. Let's do that first. Look who came down to visit.
Say hi, Dada.
Say hi. Wave.
Hi. Hi, Dada. Hi. Yeah.
I don't think you guys actually formally met my family. So my daughter's name is Anastasia, but we call her Tachi. And then my wife's name is Maddie. So this is Maddie, Tachi.
Maddie and Tachi.
Maddie and Tachi.
Okay, bye.
So you might see them from time to time, more often now. All right, anyways, back to business. You ever see White Chicks?
Like once or twice.
And like in the opening scene where like Marlon and what's his other name? The brothers, the two brothers. But like there's some like Russian dude that comes in. The Russian dude gets annoyed. He goes, "Can we get down to business?" I'm gonna have to like include it on this thing just because everyone's gonna think I'm crazy.
Can we get down to business?
Is that just vlogging? Is it gonna be a time lapse?
A little bit, not too much.
Time lapse, go!
What's up, guys? So we're back. Right now I'm trying to get these panels in the front, or actually all these panels. I'm trying to get them off right now, so that we can get access to the carpet. Not actually this one, but the floor panels. So we took out the rear seats, as we showed you earlier. We also took out the rear deck. I had plans to replace it to black, but I'm gonna take a crack at just dyeing it black and then painting the speaker mesh. So we'll try that and see how it looks. If it doesn't look good, then we'll just get the black one from somewhere or someone. And then we took off the seat belts, the rear seat belts, because as I mentioned in the past, I will be deleting the rear seats and putting seat covers, or like a panel that'll cover this. A lot of coupes do this, Mustangs, like VRZs. But yeah, so we removed the seat belts because no one's gonna be back here anyways. And then at some point we'll be getting a harness bar. We're all doing this in the name of weight reduction. So just letting you guys know, giving you an update. So we're gonna keep going.
You want to see some real speed?
All right, guys, so we're back. As you can see, I'm sitting in my gutted interior right now. It looks completely different. Here. What it do? You guys can take a look at it. I kind of like how it looks, honestly. I think this looks kind of dope. Like, this is gutted. It's not the first gutted TL. Obviously, there's a bunch of other TLs out there. Those who are either tracking or autocrossing their cars or drag racing their cars. I've seen a few, and they have done some serious weight reduction. I am not going for that. Obviously, I'm installing some new seats, but I wanted to swap over to black interior too. So while doing that, I was gonna dye the carpet black, so that's why everything's kind of gutted right now. Try it out.
Main voyage.
Dude.
You are low.
I feel low. But I feel snug, man. Yeah, these are definitely low. I mean, I have nothing you can do about it, right?
Do they make a riser?
I don't think so. I'd have to custom make some extra bracket.
How low is it though? Is it too low?
I don't know, man. It's like lower, but not like, it's like your car low.
Yeah.
Like,
well, I like to. I sit my bottom out my seat. I like sitting low. I like being in it.
It's like, yeah, it's like your car low. Like your car is, whenever I ride in it or whenever I drive it, it's like I know I'm sunken in, so but like you definitely have a longer front end than me.
Right.
So this definitely gives me that like my front end's bigger now.
Mm-hmm. Just because you're lower.
I might just have to get used to it. Normally, because like I sit up here, I think. I don't know. I mean, I think I'm good. I think it's all right.
You'll just get used to it. I mean,
yeah,
it is what it is.
It's not like I'm gonna be like, oh, I don't want this anymore.
Yeah.
Sell the car.
Send them back.
Throw it in the creek.
Yeah, all this work for
you know. I decided, guys, like I just sit too well in my car. I just don't want it anymore.
You know, I'm getting rid of it.
Check the Facebook Marketplace.
$50 takes it.
I know, right?
Oh, dude, that's not too low at all. Dude, that feels exactly like what you're saying. This feels exactly how my car does.
Yeah, it reminds me of your car.
Just because, like, yeah, like I sit like on my power seats, I sit it all the way back. Like I put the front all the way forward, so it doesn't catch with the bottom of my knees because I'm short. But yeah, like height wise, this is exactly how I feel in my car. I mean, steering wheel's a little high, I'd probably drop it, but.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I can adjust that. There's a little paddle. That might help.
Oh yeah, because then because you were probably like an inch above dash on the steering wheel.
Yeah.
This is like my exact set. This is how it feels.
Yeah, you ain't going nowhere. Look at that. I know you're trying to move in there.
I'm trying to wiggle it out.
You can't.
Those hips are locked.
All right, guys. So you saw the TL gutted. We're about to call it a night because we're tired. As you saw earlier, I got to test fit the seats. I really like them in there. They really look good. It's a little bit low for me, but I'm just gonna have to get used to that. So I'm okay with that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button too, so that you guys know when I post new videos. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.